What if I told you, right now, while you're watching this, there are people making money using AI? Not in some complicated way, not with coding, not with huge investments, but with tools that are literally available to anyone. And the scary part is, most people will never even realize this is happening. They'll just keep scrolling, keep working, keep thinking money is hard, while a small group quietly figures it out and moves ahead. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Not theory, not hype, but real tools, real methods, and real ways people are using AI to generate income right now. Because if you don't understand this shift, you won't just miss an opportunity. You'll slowly fall behind without even realizing why. Now, think about your daily life for a second. You wake up, check your phone, maybe go to work or study, scroll through social media, and repeat. It feels normal. But what you don't see is that behind that same screen, someone else is using AI to write content faster than you, design better than you, automate work you're still doing manually, and even generate income while they sleep. And that gap, that invisible gap, is what's creating a new kind of advantage in 2026, and the people who understand it early are the ones who win. Now, here's the truth most people won't tell you. AI is not replacing everyone, but it is replacing people who don't use it. And that's where the opportunity comes in. Because these tools I'm about to show you are not just cool tech, they're leverage. And leverage is what makes money easier, not harder. So let's start with the first tool. And this one is probably the most underestimated because people see it, they use it casually, but they don't realize it can literally become an income machine if used correctly. Imagine being able to write scripts, emails, blog posts, sales pages, even entire business ideas in minutes instead of hours. Now, most people use AI just to ask random questions, but the smart ones, they use it to create assets, things that can make money over time. For example, people are using it to create YouTube scripts, just like this one. They're building faceless channels, posting consistently, and earning through ads. Some are writing ebooks and selling them online. Others are creating digital products like guides and templates. And the crazy part is, once you understand how to guide the AI properly, your output quality increases dramatically. And that's where most beginners fail. They think the tool is the magic, but the real power is in how you use it. Now, moving to the second tool, and this one changes everything when it comes to visuals, because earlier, if you wanted to design something, you needed skills, software knowledge, or you had to pay someone. But now, people are creating thumbnails, social media posts, digital products, even entire brand identities using AI design tools, and they're selling these services online. Imagine someone starting with zero design experience, and within weeks, they're offering freelance services because AI is doing most of the heavy lifting. And this is where psychology plays a role. Most people hesitate. They think, I'm not creative or I can't design. But the reality is, the barrier has been removed, and now it's just about who takes action and who keeps overthinking. Now, the third tool, this is where things start getting really interesting, because this is about automation. And automation is where money starts scaling. Think about this. Instead of doing tasks one by one, what if you could set up a system where work gets done automatically? Email sent, content posted, responses generated, leads collected, without you being there all the time. This is what people are doing. They're combining AI tools with simple workflows and building systems that run in the background. And once that system is running, it's no longer about trading time for money. It becomes about optimizing and scaling. And this is where the real shift happens. Because now you're not just working, you're building something that works for you. Now, the fourth tool. This one is exploding right now, and most people are still sleeping on it. Content creation AI. Short videos, long videos, voiceovers, editing, everything is being assisted by AI. And if you look at platforms today, content is attention, and attention is money. So the people who can produce content faster, better, and more consistently are the ones capturing that attention and converting it into income. Some are building YouTube channels. Others are growing Instagram pages. Some are even running TikTok accounts that generate traffic to products. And all of this is being powered by AI. But here's the key difference. They're not just creating content. They're creating strategic content. Content that solves problems, triggers curiosity, and keeps people watching, because that's what drives results. And now the fifth tool. And this one might be the most powerful of all because it combines everything: research, execution, and scaling. This is where people are using AI to identify opportunities, validate ideas, and launch faster than ever before. Instead of guessing what might work, they're analyzing trends, understanding demand, and then creating something around it. And this reduces risk massively because now you're not just trying, you're making informed moves. And this is exactly why some people are progressing so fast right now. It's not luck, it's leverage. And once you understand this, everything changes. You stop thinking, how do I work more? And start thinking, how do I work smarter with AI? And that mindset shift alone can change your entire trajectory. Now, let's bring this back to you, because at the end of the day, this isn't about tools, it's about what you do with them. You can watch this video, feel motivated, and then go back to your normal routine. Or you can take one idea, just one, and actually act on it. Because the truth is, you don't need to master everything. You just need to start somewhere. Pick one tool, learn it, apply it, and build from there. And slowly, that gap we talked about in the beginning, the gap between people who are stuck and people who are moving forward, that gap starts closing. And eventually, you're the one on the other side, the one others are wondering about, thinking, how are they doing it? And the answer will be simple. You started when others didn't. You paid attention when others ignored it. And you used the tools that were available while everyone else was distracted. And that's the difference. Not talent, not luck, just awareness and action. And if you made it this far, you already have the awareness. Now it's just about what you do next.